In this video, I'm going to teach you how to save time and money when you're making your soups. Let's make these soup packs in 6 easy steps. You will need 2 medium onions, 1 pack of celery, 1 pack of baby carrots, 2 gallon freezer bags, and 2 pint or quart freezer bags. Step 1, chop the onions. Start off by peeling and chopping the onions into 8 pieces. You have your choice to cut them by hand, but for this video, I choose to use my food processor. Step 2, chop the carrots. I like to make groups of 4 all over the cutting board and then fastly chop each group into 4 pieces. Step 3, chop the celery. I like to chop the whole celery before I clean it. I find it's easier to clean thoroughly when it's chopped into smaller pieces. Step 4. Now it's time to rinse the celery and the carrots and get them nice and clean. Make sure to pat dry them before you place them in the bags. Step 5. Now it's time to bag it all up. Start off by bagging the onions in the pint bags. You want to keep them separate because typically you end up sauteing the onions in the soup first. Make sure to remove all the excess air by folding the bags in half. This will allow it to stay fresher longer. Step 6, our final step, label and date each bag. Then pop them in the freezer. Each bag will be good for up to 2 months in the freezer.